to another video. My name is Roblox Phone 50. Today we're gonna be playing Airplane 3. Airplane Story. So this game will be a new game that this was published in 2019. When I played this in first, I got just only one win. See in the back right here in the bottom. And there was two more new items. Look like the games in Castle Stories, Punchockings, and the next one is Airplane 2. I'm gonna play that later. Do you know, guys, my last video when I made those videos, make sure I'm gonna make Airplane 2 and also Airplane 3. So guys, let's go ahead and go to this room before we can play this ever again. So guys, we are here in Airplane 3 and my seat is C5. Okay, let me go in here. Whoa, I'm in first thing. And I'm with this girl named Blink Cami. Hello there, Blink Cami. Whoa, there's so many luggage in here. I don't know what is going to happen. Why are these luggage are here? Okay. We are going to sit. Hello everyone. This is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 6068. Oh, might be good. We are currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. Oh, whoa, what the? Is 3,000? Okay, it's so 33,000 feet above the sea. Whoa, this is not going to be. Wait, my favorite YouTubers, Lanky Box, and also Gaming with Gabe just post some new videos. I'm going to post now, but it is a new video. Okay, feel free to explore the airplane. I'm going to explore the airplane, so I know what I'm doing about. Okay. Are you still at AFK Blink Amy? Okay. There's a sits right here, and I'm going to get. Whoa, what is this? A code? Okay, this is a telephone. Okay, I'm going to sit in my seat. Okay, Blink Army, you are going to sit right there. His name is Blink Army. Okay, so what are we gonna do? Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, that was so awesome. Hey, are you still an AFK girl? Hey, Blink Army, are you blinking? Because your name is Blink. I don't care. I think she's a AFK man. Okay, get ready for as our crew prepares the snack for everybody. Whoa, this is not good at all. Okay, hello everyone. We are the crew members. We will delivering delicious sandwiches. Okay. Ha, he said ha. Okay, I'm going to eat some sandwich. Okay, and you are going. Why are you so little and I'm so tall than you? Are you look like a kid or something? You're just like small. And you're so fat. Oh no, it's me. Roblox 150. Okay. I'm not feeling very well. Uh-oh. Okay. Wait, this sandwich has mayo. And I'm allergic to mayo. Oh no, I'm allergic, but I'm not allergic in mayo in real life. It's just a video game. Okay, oh no, quickly. Well, we need to find Roblox Phone 50's baggage for medicine. What? Wait, did I just bring some medicine for my luggage? Let me see. Let me see right here. Let's see. Let me open these doors. Okay, it's not my luggage. Whoa, this is not good at all. Hey, I need to survive in this jam. Okay, come on, go. What should we do in this? Whoa, I'm not so good. Let's check in here. What about this last thing? Oh, look, there it is. I found it. It's a color blue. I found it, and that's me. Wow, my luggage is so color blue. And it's my favorite color. Phew, that was close one. I want to go some emotes for some while. I'm going to like a monkey right here. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Good afternoon to all passengers and to all affording take a nap and enjoy the ride. I'm enjoying this ride, but not as there's disasters on it. Okay. So what do we do in here? Am I solo again? Okay, I'm with Blink again. What is this? Wow, what is this? Hello there, Blink Army. Are you okay? Wow, look at those lights. They are super cool. Okay. Whew. Whoa, guys, what just happened? Whoa, why are the lights are off? Uh-oh. What is this? Okay, let me check now. Whoa, what is that? Guys, look. Is that... What is that on the right wing? Oh no, it's question mark. Is question mark's name? Okay. Dot. You will not survive. No, I'm surviving. Are those... Are snakes? Uh-oh, snakes. Whoa, no. There's red things. Uh-oh, there they are. The snakes. Oh my god. Oh my god, am I gonna die? We're gonna die. We never survived in this. Oh no. Okay. Hello there, Blink Army. Are you going to join with me? Oh no, there's so many million. It might be million snakes on me now. Look, Blink. Oh no, you're a girl. Okay, guys. There's an open restroom. Let me go in here before the snakes eat me. Okay. Whoa, what a strange day. Is she going to die? I think she's going to die in this jam. Hey, Blink. Are you here? No. It's solo again. Every story that... Oh no, it's only me. Oh no. It's only me. I'm going to save myself. I need to be patient. Okay, that was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. Whoa. Okay. We are doing this ever again. Okay. So what do we do? Oh no, what the heck is happening right here? Okay, so I'm going right here. That was scary. We should do this is what the heck is happening. Oh, what the... Why there's... Oh no, I'm stuck. Oh no. Okay. So, I'm talking myself again. And I am... Whoa. Wow, the lights again. The shiny lights are back. Okay. Power's back up. But it's only me. And there's nothing happens now. It's only me. Okay. And snakes are gone. Thank God. Yeah. I can survive this jam. But not for long. The creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy. It's not creepy as that creepy. It was just a fat man with spikes on his hands. And your attention, I have a good news and bad news. Why? Good news and bad news? That was easy. The good news is the power is back up. Okay, the power is back up. And what the next one is... The bad news is that we are losing the significant amount of oxygen. Uh-oh. Is this plane is broken? That we're losing amount of oxygen. Okay, I'm going to take some mask. Okay. I'm looking like I have Robux. Wow, this mask is super awesome. I have a mask like this. It looks like I have Robux. And I'm going to survive in this jam. Yeah. Okay, so what do we do? Okay, the mask will keep you safe until they stabilize the oxygen levels. Okay. I'll survive in this jam. What a broken airplane in this. Yo, luckily there's... Whoa, what is happening now? Okay, what is happening? Oh no, oh my god. What is this? Oh no. It looks like a bomb. Oh no. Who placed a bomb in here? What are we going to do? What am I going to do? What am I going to do? I'm gonna die. No. Oh, no, please. No. No. I want to restart. Okay, we need to find something safe. Roblox 150. Let's go. Is there something right here? Okay, I found a pair of scissors, but it's gone. Okay, I found a pair of scissors. Which cable should I cut? Oh no. Which cable? I don't know. Uh, what about blue? No, please, don't die. No. Ah, no. Ah, 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 ah. So guys, I'm back again and I got a bomb and I'm solo again. So it looked like a bomb. Oh no. Oh no. I want to cut the blue cable this time. Because if I cut the blue cable, that was wrong. Okay. What should I cut for this time? Okay, I need to find something with Let's go. I found a pair of scissors. I'm going to die in this time. I'm going to cut the blue cable. Please, let me survive. Oh, cut the blue. Please, I will cut the blue cable. Please. No, no. Oh, no. Ah. Ah. Oh, yay. I survived myself. Yay. Okay, we did it. And I saved myself. Yeah. And I have no one to help with me. Okay. So what is the next jam? The next one is okay. Okay, there's no one, and I'm with two guys right here, and they just died. I heard a crew. While we should look for them and check if everything is okay. Let's see. Oh wait, I found some legs. What is this? What? I found them. They're unconscious. Whoa. We need to alert the captain. Oh no. Quick. Get to the captain's room. Oh no. I'm going to go to the captain's room. Okay, let's check it out. I'm going to get and save this universe. Okay. It's locked. Okay, I'm going back. So what do? Whoa. Something is happening inside. The captain might be in trouble. Oh no. Now, okay. The door needs a code. If we find, they'll be able to open it. I found a code. Okay, look. There's the code. Okay. It's... Okay. I found the code, guys. And this is gonna be... I want to unlock. Okay. So what do? I'm gonna open the door. Whoa! How did the monster get in there? It's the creature. Yeah, it's the creature. So what do I do? 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 Okay, you will pay for what you've done. No, I'll not pay. It's only $1. Here, take this $1. Okay. You think you are here for an accident? Okay, but you're not. I'm here to die. I brought you here. All of you. No, it's just me. I'm single again. Not me. Okay, that is not possible. Yeah, that's me. That's not possible. Okay. So what do? It is. And now, it's time to die. No, I'm not going to die. I'm a pro in here. I'm a pro. Okay, so what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? See you after life. Okay, I'm going to see you after life. Okay, what do? And the monster is gone. Come on, get rid of that. Okay. I'm gonna save this. Okay. Whoa, Captain. What? The captain is unconscious. Yeah, the crew and the captain is unconscious. What kind of airplane is this? Look. The plane is falling. What are we going to do? Yeah, what are we going to do? Let's find the button right here. Danger. Uh-oh. We need to find the autopilot button. Okay. Let's tap this. I don't have any much time. Let's tap it. I'll start in here. Click everything and find the button or before we die. Okay. Let's see. Which button should I press? I found the button. Okay. I found the button. That was awesome. Okay, I found the button. And I'm going to go. We did it. We saved the plane. Okay. We have the plane. We saved the plane. It has been a very crazy flight. Yeah, want to go home already. Oh, I just want to be home. Okay, so what do we do? I just want to go home. I want to be in my home, not for a trip again. Okay, so what do we do? Okay, who is this? I can use the phone? Okay, now all we need to do is find the emergency phone and we can call for help. Okay, so what do we do? Okay. Okay, hello. We need help. Okay, our captain is unconscious. Also the crew. Don't worry, we will get you home in no time. Is everyone okay? Airport crew. Okay. Yes, we are okay, except the crews and also the captain. The autopilot mode is on. Yeah. Okay, so what do we do? Okay. We've been tracing your location and we are taking control. Okay. So what are we gonna do? There is one last task I have for you. Someone needs to go and keep the plane on track. Yeah, I'm going to get the plane on track. Because I'm a pro. Find someone to sit on the co-pilot's seat inside the captain. I'm going. I'm running. Come on. Please go. I'm going. So I'm going to the autopilot thing. I'm going to sit right here. Yeah. Okay, guys, this is the ending. I'm going to unlock the ending. Okay, everyone, I got this. It's just only me. Okay, me, I got this. That's me. Okay. Oh no, what is that again? Oh no, the monster. Uh-oh. No. Oh no. It's back. Yeah, it is back. Oh no. How are you still alive, Roblox Phone 50? Oh, it's just me. I killed all of your friends. Yeah, you killed all my friends, all my buddies. But there is something about you. Yeah, something about me. About me is I have a big brain. Your energy does not let me kill you. Yeah, because I have a big brain. See, I'm not going anywhere with you, monster. Yeah. I'm Choosen one. I'm the Choosen one, yeah. I'll come back for you. Oh no. So I'm going to save the plane. Oh no. I can't believe that it was the only survivor. I can't believe I was the only survivor. What? Roblox 451 when talking to the Chosen One award? Whoa! I unlocked a secret ending. Did I just unlock a Chosen One ending? I'm still alive. And he killed my friends. That was awesome. Wow, I'm the Chosen One. Click me to play. Whoa, that was awesome. Wow, I got the Chosen One secret ending. And everyone didn't took very while. Well guys, thank you for so much watching. Don't forget to subscribe and you'll see more other video stories. And I'm going to be myself again. And I'll be the Chosen One. So guys, peace out.